Hello everyone. Today for Book Inspirational Talk, I have Dr. Deepa with me and Professor Regina. So these inspirational talks are to inspire and celebrate stage 4 cancer survivors. Dr. Deepa, would you like to say anything about love account or create a love account and how it inspires others?
Yes, love is infinite, and to practice being more loving, create a love account each day. Make a few deposit in this very special reserve by doing something small to add joy to the life of someone around you. Maybe this Diwali you can give some gifts to people around, give your love or give a call or one email and make them happy. So I am sending my love today. Create your love on this equation. Thank you, Kavita ji and Professor Regina.
That's a beautiful message, Deepa. Uh, since we are doing this series, book talk series with Robin Sharma, Who Will Cry When You Die, do you mind if I read the small paragraph? Okay. So he says, create a love account. Mother Teresa once said, there are no great acts, there are only small acts done with great love. What small acts can you do today to deepen the bonds between you and the people you love the most? As you said, sending the gifts and to make them happy. What random acts of kindness and senseless acts of beauty can you offer to someone in an effort to make his or her day just a little better? The irony of being more compassionate is that the very act of giving to others makes you feel better as well. To practice being more loving, create a love account. Each day, make a few deposits in this very special reserve by doing something small to add joy to the life of someone around you. Beautifully said. If there is one thing that he says that I have learned in life, that is the little things are the big things. Those tiny daily deposits into the love account will give you far more happiness than any amount of money in your bank account. As Emerson said so eloquently, without the rich heart, wealth is an ugly beggar. Or as Tolstoy wrote, the means to gain happiness is to throw out for oneself like a spider in all directions an adhesive web of love and to catch in all that comes. Being said this, we will also take input from Professor Regina.
Thank you. Namaskarams. You know, we have emotional bank account. It's very important to store the compliments you have received. Remind yourself those compliments often. Be everything you can, a better version of yourself each and every day, because today is better than yesterday, and tomorrow will be better than today. So, in this beautiful book, Beyond the Limits, we have whenever you feel sad, just dig into your optional bank account, the love that you have accomplished. Borrow these accomplishments to yourself. In a while, pat yourself on the back because that's what you got to do to keep your mood high. We have to live a life that is similar to being prayer. We are here in a temple. We are sharing homeopathy. We are helping to heal the world. So this way, we share our studies and give from the heart to the clients that are in greater needs. And sometimes a paper medication, the drops of the sacred pills from homeopathy will work in their DNA and they will improve. But also the words, you'll feel better, of the homeopath also heals. So if you speak of truth, if you're honest to your principles, and thank God every day in the morning and in at night before you go to sleep in prayers, thanking for this life opportunity, we will always be God's hands on planet Earth. And love from God will come from our heart through our deeds to the planet. Thank you very much. Namaskarams.
That's a beautiful message, Professor Regina. I don't know you have found that emotional bank account from this. I really just reminding, refreshing what I wrote. So, and Dr. Deepa, would you like to say anything before we wrap?
Love is infinite, and I'm very thankful to Ka family. I feel happy to be a part of it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Deva. This message is so sweet and loving and caring, and we inspire many more people to spread the. Thank you so much, Professor Regina and Dr. Deepa, with us, and we will have many more book talks. See you all again.
Thank you.
Om Shanti.
Cheers.
Om Shanti.
Om